Hi everyone, in this video I will going to solve this nice aspect problem. The equation we have root of 400 over 20 minus root of 399. So let's get started the solution. In the first step I will going to rationalize the denominator. So for rationalizing the denominator I'm going to multiply the same denominator by changing the sign and dividing the same denominator by changing the sign. I'm going to write here 400 over 20 minus root of 399. Now I'm going to multiply this denominator by changing the sign. 20 plus root of 399 and dividing that 20 plus root of 399. Now here we have the negative and the positive sign. So here I'm going to apply the algebraic identity, that is a minus b, a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. So this is our a and this is our b value here. And this 400 is going to multiply with this 20 plus root of 399. So next expression we will get 400 times 20 plus root of 399 over 20 to the power of 2 minus root of 399 and whole to the power of 2. Here this square and this root going to be cancelling out. So the next expression we'll get here 400 times 20 plus root of 399. I'm going to write same as. And here 20 to the power of 2 is equals to 400. Here 399 is remaining. So this equation turns to 400 times 20 plus root of 399 over here 1 is remaining. So this equation turns to 400 times 20 plus root of 399. Now next I'm going to apply here the radical rule, that is n root of a times b can be written as n root of a times n root of b. So here we have this is our a and this is our b value. So this equation turns to root of 400 times root of 20 plus root of 399. And here this the root of 400 we have, that is 20, and root of 20 plus and root of 399 I'm going to write same as. Now next I will going to write here 20 times root of 1. I'm going to take common here. 20 plus root of 399. Now in replacement of this 1, I'm going to write 20 root of 2 over 2 times 20 plus root of 399. 20 root of 2, 20 times give us 40 plus 2 root of 399 over 2. The next step, I will going to split this 40 and this 399. 20 root of 19 plus 21 is equals to 40 plus 2, and in replacement of 399 I'm going to write 19 times 21 give us 399 over 2. Next I'm going to write this 19 and 20 in separate root. 20 root of 19 plus 21 plus 2 root of 19 plus root of 21 over 2. Now I'm going to express this 19 and 21 in this form. 19 I'm going to write equals to root of 19 and whole to the power of 2. If I'm going to be cancelling out this square and root, I will get this same value 19. So I'm going to write this 19 in this form. 20 root of 19 to the power of 2 plus root of 21 and whole to the power of 2 plus 2 times 19 times 21 over, and in replacement of 2 I'm going to write root of 2 and whole to the power of 2. The next step, I will going to apply here the algebraic identity, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab can be written as a plus b whole to the power of 2. So here we have the a value and this is our b value. This will turn to 20 of root of 19 plus root of 21 and whole to the power of 2 over root of 2 and whole to the power of 2. Now we have on the numerator and denominator same power. So here I'm going to apply the exponential rule, that is a to the power of m over b to the power of m can be written as a over b and whole to the power of m. So this will turn to 20 root of 19 plus root of 21 over root of 2 and whole to the power of 2. Here this square and this root going to be cancelling out. So the next expression we'll get 20 times 19 root plus root of 21 over root of 2. Now this 20 is multiplying with this. So I'm going to write 20 over root of 2 times root of 19 plus root of 21. Now next I'm going to rationalize this denominator. So I'm going to write root of 2 times root of 2 multiplying and dividing this times root of 19 plus root of 21. Now this will going to be multiplied 20 root of 2 over root of 2 and whole to the power of 2. And this I'm going to write root of 19 plus root of 21. Here this square and this root going to be cancelling out. So the next expression we'll get here, that is 20 root of 2 over 2 times root of 19 plus root of 21. Here this is going to be reduced to 10. So the next expression we'll get 10 root of 2 times root of 19 plus root of 21. Now next this 10 root of 2 is multiplying with this and with this root of 21. So I'm going to write 10 root of 2 times root of 19 plus 10 root of 2 times root of 21. Now here I'm going to apply the radical rule, that is n root of a times n root of b can be written as n root of a times b. I'm going to express this in the same root 10 root of 2 times 19 plus 10 root of 2 times 21. Here we'll get 10 root of 2 times 19 is equals to 38 plus 10 root of 2 times 21 is equals to 42. Now here we have common value of 10, so I'm going to take common here. 10 and root of 38 plus root of 42. So this is the final answer. Thank you so very much for watching my video. If you liked my video, please do hit the like button and please support my channel by subscribing it.